Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. I've got a fun exercise to share with you this week. As you know, I love format modification, and I'm going to show you 3 open gate formats that build on each other in different ways. So let's take a closer look. I want to start with the simplest modification of the 3. Looking at the classic open gate format, the panels go in towards each other, then out in opposing directions. Usually you'll see these in a horizontal orientation, but in this case, the design is vertical, which completely changes the reveal of the information. Next, let's go back to horizontal orientation, but let's change the shape of the panels to create a wonderful and decorative set of flower-shaped panels to open the piece with. They also have foil stamping on the panels as an extra eye-catching detail. Now, building on the previous 2 concepts, we've got vertical orientation plus shaped panels and a touch of gold foil stamping detail with one additional format modification, asymmetry. The 2 half-circle panels form a golf ball, and the split between them is off-center, which makes the ball look like it's sitting on the grass. Let's check under those panels too, just for kicks. Each concept challenges the picture you may have in your head of a classic open gatefold. The 3 formats really built on each other, layering orientation, panel shape, print effects, and finally symmetry to change up a classic. Now, I want you to take this idea and think about other classic formats that you can modify by adding these simple techniques. Ready, set, go. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.